Hello everyone, it's Larry Warden here. I just got dropped off this afternoon by UPS my new MacBook Pro 13-inch computer. I'm really excited to open this up and see how it runs. I'm sure I'm going to be very pleased with it. It's replacing my previous MacBook Pro, which I purchased in 2017. This was probably a 2016, late 2016 model, so this had the Intel chip in it and 8 gigabytes of memory and 256 gigabytes of storage. As my new Mac is going to have the 512 gigabytes of storage as well as 16 gigabytes of RAM. So, and with that new Apple M1 chip, I think I'm going to get very good performance out of it. This has been a real workhorse, but I found in the last year or so doing a lot of video editing and editing with photos and iMovie, it was starting to stutter and get a few hiccups. So I felt it was time to upgrade my computer to this one. So I'm going to start unboxing it, and as you can see, I'm a senior. I've watched a lot of unboxing videos on YouTube, and they're mostly younger people. And so I'm going to give you kind of a senior's perspective. I'm not really a high-tech guy. So let's open up the Mac and take a look inside. It's dropped off in a very secure box. I see it's got a little tab here, which kind of makes it easy to open. So I just pulled off that little tab. By the way, this computer, I was kind of surprised when I ordered it. UPS sent me a tracking email where I can track it, and it probably about a week and a half ago it left Shanghai, China. So in about 8 stops later, it's arrived here in Pembroke, Ontario in Canada. And I'm going to pull it out. Very securely packed in there in that cardboard box, so it was well packed. Of course, in here, the MacBook Pro is also in the Apple box. Certainly like the cover. You can see I like that nice background. That's very colorful. And I saw some previous videos to open your MacBook Pro box from Apple. There's a little tab here. You can just kind of grab it and start pulling. That makes it an easy way to get off all your plastics. I presume I can just use gravity to open the box. There she comes. And there is my new 13-inch MacBook Pro with the M1 Apple chip. I bought it in space gray because I believe that was the same color as my other one. And just noticing in the box, we have your little manual instructions in there, and I also see some Apple stickers, which are kind of nice. And then we've got the USB-C cable, power cable, to attach to our power brick. Here's the power brick, which I believe this one is 61 watt power brick. So this is, we'll hook that up after to power when we need the power. So there's the box, and that's what was in it. We'll keep these two things handy. Put the box down, and now comes the magic moment when we're going to open up the computer. Okay, we got, it's even wrapped in this nice plastic. Look at that. Apple does a great job of packaging their computers. Very well sealed. There's the Apple logo. Let's see, it's facing that way. Let's open it up and see what happens. There goes that Apple sound. It's even got a little screen protector here. And there it is, loading up. So anyway, we're going to let that load up, and then we'll continue on the setup process.